On the 19th of March 2021, a volcano erupted in Iceland. It happened in Geldingadalir. It started from two holes in the ground, where molten lava flowed out like a river. The lava quickly spread. No houses were affected since the eruption happened in the remote place. Here in the Philippines, Taal volcano erupted last year, and there's a chance that it might erupt again. Last year, the eruption covered nearby areas in ashes, making it hard for people to breathe. If Taal erupts again, we need to follow some safety rules, such as 1. Always wear a face mask. 2. Avoid going out the house. 3. Keep your home stocked with food and water. 4. Have emergency lighting ready. 5. Do not stay under roofs with thick ash. Number 6. Stay out of the danger zone. Number 7. If necessary, go to an evacuation center. Let us hope Taal volcano does not erupt again soon. But if it does, it is best to follow these safety reminders. Bye! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.